Let me bring him through here because he's having, technical difficulty. So we now have on the line live with us from Benin Republic. He couldn't join because of technical issues on the other side, but he's live with us now. Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho, all the way from Benin Republic. Egbon's okay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
Hello.
Go ahead. We can hear you.
Good evening, ladies. And my uncle there. Then my name is Sunday Ademoyeke Sunday Igboho. I'm with you. Then I'm already in the meeting now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's a very straight message there. Every son have said he signed it and is part of his own words, and the same message is passing to us. So the Biafra people, the Igbo in Lagos, for those who are looking for chicken to kill, for those who are looking for who to blame, for those who are looking for what to gossip about, the Oduduwa or Yoruba nation now, you have heard from them. They have absolutely nothing to do with whatever that is going on in Lagos. They have made it very clear, those who are causing trouble should stop causing trouble in Yoruba land. Those who are causing trouble does not represent Yoruba nation now. They are politicians and they are thugs. You may also give them name as you wish to, but they have absolutely nothing to do with those fighting for the liberation of Oduduwa nation, Yoruba nation now, or those fighting for Biafra. So what we have come to do this evening is to set this record very straight, that no matter how you do it, no matter what you do, those who fight for Nigeria will never like Oduduwa nation agitators. Those who fight for Nigeria will never like Biafra agitators. And so, when you cause trouble, let the trouble live with you. Do not bring us into it. Do not bring tribal war. You have done your tribal politics, and it didn't end well. And when this tribal politics was going on, we warned about it. We warned about it, that it is going to be a dangerous politics. You cannot be fighting for one Nigeria at the same time discriminating other nationalities. If you want to fight for one Nigeria, you fight for one Nigeria and maintain the one Nigeria. Don't fight for one Nigeria and divide it. Yet, when we tell you that Nigeria is not working, you don't want to hear us. So what is going on in Lagos is completely out of Yoruba nation agitator. They have nothing to do with Yoruba people. They don't speak for Yoruba people. They don't represent Yoruba people. They are political thugs hired by politicians, working for politicians, and nobody will drag our alliance into the crisis in the name of Yoruba people attacking Igbo also. It is not Yoruba people. It is political thugs. And when we want to address them, we will address them as political thugs, not Yoruba. So the message I want to pass to Biafra people today is that when you want to address those causing trouble and attacking you, don't bring Yoruba to it. You don't feed the python that will swallow you. We can no longer allow the divide and rule of the Fulanis that have been used for decades to conquer us up to the point that we can no longer farm in our land, and because they give you something to fight each other, and you are fighting while they are busy, rendering your people in your villages homeless, moving them from their homeland to IDP camp, chasing them away from their ancestral land, and you are busy attacking each other. We are not going to watch you do that. So the advice goes to the both sides. Every attack in the name of whatever nomenclature must immediately stop. We will fight this our freedom until when we leave Nigeria, we can then continue in our alliance to see how we are going to do business as neighboring countries, as the case may be. So I want to thank all the media personnel here. Our media team, didn't make it to this because this came as an urgent to them. So the media team of Autopilot, let me apologize before you people crucify me. I want to use this opportunity to apologize that this particular gathering came as a very emergency, and so if you do not find yourself here, don't take offense about this. Thank you very much. Tekoeki, you can go from.
Yeah, thank you so much once again. Let's allow Chief to say what he wants to say. Go ahead, CSI.
Thank you so much, my brother. Then I thank all our Igbo people there, then all our Yoruba man in this meeting. I want you to know that Lagos State is a Yoruba land. Then I know my people, my Yoruba people, they can never fight any Igbo in Lagos. Lagos State is our land. It's a Yoruba land. Because we have many Igbo people in your land there, in Akwa Ibom, Port Harcourt, every day. You didn't fight them. So why our Yoruba people fight the Igbo in Lagos? They can't. I trust my people. They can never fight any. Then we are not politicians. If any politician fight themselves, I think maybe they don't have anything to do with them. You understand? We're supposed to talk to our people. We are the same. Biafra people, Yoruba Nation people, we are the same because we are fighting for our right. Then we are fighting for our country. So I want the love between Yoruba and Igbo. We are together there. We have love with each other. So I thank Mr. Simon. We are the same. Then I want you to talk to your people in Lagos there that this political matter didn't concern us. So I want you to talk to them to let us know that our Yoruba Nation people, they can never fight. They can't fight any Igbo in Lagos there. Lagos State is a Yoruba land. Then we too, we talk to our people to leave anybody to do his own business in Lagos. So I promise you, I will call my people to talk to our elderly people in Lagos to leave anybody alone to do your own business in Lagos. We are together. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Chief Sunday Igboho. That's a very straight message there, and I believe the message, the Afro people have received that message, which is that whoever that is attacking any Biafra or any Igbo person in Lagos is not representing the Oduduwa nation or Yoruba nation now, and Lagos is a Yoruba land, and that message is well received. So, Koiki.
Well, not much to add to what our two leaders have said. I can only say we have been listening to them. Professor Adebanji Akintoye remains our leader, and likewise Dr. Sunday Igboho. And as both of them have spoken, I will not add any more, but we will continue, as we have done so many times, to educate our people, both from both sides, to respect the right of the Yoruba people and also to respect the right of the Biafra as well. The right to self-determination must be allowed. We are not politicians, and we have not endorsed any of the political party. I wouldn't add more to that as well. And I believe we have one of our media team that wants to quickly add one or two things before we start bringing it down. Thank you so much, Simon.
Yeah, I just might add briefly that there are people among those who are angry and threatening in Lagos who are not really political thugs. Whatever you are a member of a political party and you are angry and fighting for that political party. We are asking you, we are begging you in the name of the liberty and peace of our people. Please stop fighting. I had a young man threatening, we are going to fight at the inauguration, we won't let it happen, etc., etc. I cannot even repeat the things he was saying. I asked you, stop that nonsense. You are just putting yourself in trouble. Nothing will come out of it, except you in trouble. Thank you very much. Good night to all.